Alright guys, today we're going to be taking a look at a small batch, new company, Gott Skegg. So stay tuned through the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, beard tips, gear reviews, and gear tips, then you've come to the right place. Today we're going to be taking a look at that small batch, new company, Gott Skegg. Now, I reached out to the company owner, Jesse, and was like, hey, would you like me to do a review of your products? And he sent me some stuff to test out. So let's start off with his business card. Check that out. And excuse this wind. It is freezing cold out here today, and this wind is crazy. So he sells on Etsy. You can see there. And the company owner, like I said, is Jesse. So huge thank you to Jesse for sending me this stuff out to test out. All he carries is balms. He does not carry any oils or anything like that. All he has is balms. So in the package, I got, of course, this awesome business card, and then got this little flyer. So you can see that. And then on this side, all right, so what the flyer says is Gott Skegg. It means nice beard. A quality balm at an affordable price. If you are looking to load up your beard, mustache, or even the hair on your head with vitamins and nutrients, then this is the stuff for you. We use natural ingredients from reliable vendors to make it as gentle on the skin and hair as possible. Every scented balm contains the same core ingredients, only differentiated by assorted oils used to create one-of-a-kind scents. Our focus is on what's being applied to your Gott Skegg and not fancy packaging or gimmicks. Alright, so there's that. And then I reached out to him. I was like, give me a little bit more information. So he hasn't been a company very long. He's been selling on Etsy for about a year, and so far the feedback, he said, has been nothing but good. Prior to selling it, he said he spent about 6 months researching oils and butters, and that would be the most beneficial to your skin and hair. There had been many failed experiments while tweaking his recipe to get it just the way he wanted it. And he says, I think it's safe to say that I've reached my goal in providing a quality beard balm. So the purpose for me wanting to do this and creating the balms and stuff, other than being an entrepreneur, is because I was tired of overpaying for balms that just couldn't cut it, just couldn't do what they needed to do in your beard. And that's like the common core for most of these small batch companies. The consistency either wasn't what I wanted, or the smells were too heavy, heavily fragranced and overpowering. I think this is an issue for a lot of men. I wanted to provide a product that was a good quality, but inexpensive enough that everyone could afford it. Like briefly mentioned on the flyer, I concentrated on the ingredients and content versus the aesthetics of my tins and packaging. The name Gott Skegg came about because it seemed like every time I would think of something decent to call my balm, someone had already come up with it. So I started looking at different languages just to have something more unique. In the end, I went with the Icelandic name Gott Skegg, meaning nice beard. This worked in my favor because it slides off the tongue, and when you think of Iceland and other places in that region, you think of Vikings, big beards, and burly men. So, with all of that being said, let's talk about these products. So what he sent me were 4 balms. Cedar fir. All the labels are exactly the same other than the name. Creamsicle. Forest floor. And Xmas tree, Christmas tree. So the ingredients on these, they're all the same. Shea butter, mango butter, cocoa butter, jojoba oil, argan oil, olive oil, coconut oil, sunflower oil, beeswax, soy wax, and essential oils. That is the ingredients for all of these. So let's break into Christmas tree. So as you can see, I have dug into this. Now this is kind of a white, kind of an off-white color, and it's cold out here, so maybe it'll show. That is, once you break it, it is creamy. There's only one other balm off the top of my head that I can think of that conditions as well as this one does. The scents, he knocked the scents out of the park. It's Christmas time. This smells like a Christmas tree. Hands down, no doubt. That is a Christmas tree. It smells amazing. So we're gonna go through talk about the scents first, and then we'll talk about what all it did for my beard. So the next one we'll talk about is Creamsicle. All of them same color, same consistency. You get that orange right up front, and it just smells like a creamsicle. It smells so good. I didn't know I was a fan of creamsicle scent until I got this product. Next one, cedar fir. That one you get a good blend of cedar and fir, of the pine and the woodsy. This one is kind of a woodsy scent, but it's just, I don't even know how to describe it. This one is really good. And the last one, forest floor. This is more of your woodsy, earthy notes. You get a little bit of that fir, you get a little bit of that, all the woodsy stuff you can think of, you get in this. And it smells really good. So now let's talk about what it did for my beard. I wore this the first day I tested any of these balms. I put an unscented oil in just because I didn't know. I put an unscented oil in and I put the balm in. I put it in all through my beard like I would a butter. And my beard was very, very soft by the end of the day. So then I started using it. I used it for 7 days. Actually, I used it over 7 days because I used all 4 of these. And I started using it morning, evening, and at night. And my beard was so soft. I know I've said it before. I test my product for 7 days. The first day or 2 of testing, I'll run a comb through a little after lunch to see how it has done with knots and tangles and how it's really conditioning. And the first couple days, boom, slides through, comb slides through, no problem whatsoever. This stuff is absolutely amazing. Conditioned so well, it was remarkable how well it conditioned my beard and made my beard really soft. Now, if I had to pick one scent out of these 4, I recommend them all, but if I had to pick one scent, my favorite one is probably cedar fir. My favorite is cedar fir. The Christmas tree, it's gonna be good, probably year round, but it's really good right now. But cedar fir just almost has that, to me, it smells like something I would wear going out. It just smells something really good. You get that good mix of cedar, of fir, some other notes in there I can't really decipher, but it's really good. Let's talk about price. You can pick up this 2-ounce tin of beard balm for $5 plus shipping. $5 for this, which is well below market average. And when he said he wanted to create something that was affordable for everybody, he nailed it. This stuff did remarkable in my beard. So I will drop links in the description below. You can get over and check out his Etsy page and make a purchase. Show him some love. He's a new company, and I promise you, you will thoroughly enjoy this balm. I wouldn't recommend it if it didn't do wonders in my beard, and I absolutely love it. This is definitely going to be a go-to product for me in the future. Absolutely love it. So if you haven't already, hit that thumbs up button. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Get over, check out Gott Skegg on Etsy. I will drop link in the description below. I'll also pin it in the top comments so you can find it easily. Get over, check it out, show him some love. And until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.